Here's how to fix the PayPal "We're having trouble making sure it's you" error. Open Chrome and click the three dots, then Settings. Click Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies. Then see All Site Data and Permissions. In the search box, type PayPal and find PayPal.com in the list. Click the delete icon next to it to clear all PayPal cookies. Note this will log you out, so have your login details ready. Once cleared, try logging into PayPal again. This resolves the error in most cases. If that does not work, or you prefer not to clear cookies, go to google.com and search PayPal Customer Support. Click the Official Help Center result and scroll to the bottom to find the Message Us option. This opens a live chat with PayPal support where you can explain the login issue. If you cannot log in at all, click the Call Us option on the same page. Select your country and you will see the phone number and opening hours. Call them as a guest using the option shown and explain the issue. Support can run a security check and resolve it directly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.